Very good morning to all of you. Today, I'm going to teach the students of BBA 4th semester. The topic is budgetary control. So first of all, before discussing budgetary control, I would like to discuss first budget. Budget, I already told you that budget is, the word came from the word boget, and boget means leather pouch. Leather pouch. Leather pouch means the wallets, the purse which you are carrying. And the purse and wallets, you are carrying cash. You are carrying cash, estimating, suppose 100 rupees to spend money, maybe in future that is not 100 rupees or 50 rupees. It means the budget is what? Budget is an estimation of revenues as well as expenditure in future. So budget क्या है? Budget एक estimation है, एक estimate करते हैं आप कब का? फ्यूचर का. किस चीज का? आमदनी और खर्चे का. आपने देखा है जो गवर्नमेंट का बजट है, गवर्नमेंट का बजट क्या करता है? वो उसका आमदनी कहां से आए? द रेवेन्यूज केम फ्रॉम सेल्स टैक्स, इनकम टैक्स, रोड टैक्स, और वो जो आता है सेल्स टैक्स, कस्टम्स ड्यूटी, एक्साइज ड्यूटी, रोड टैक्स, ये सरकार इस पैसे को क्या करती है? खर्च करती है. कहां खर्च करती है? आपको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट में, ये रोड बनता है, हॉस्पिटल्स बनते हैं, स्कूल्स बनते हैं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स बनता है. तो इन सबों पे जो खर्च होता है वो सरकार को आने वाली आमदनी से. इसीलिए आप देखते हैं नगर निगम की गाड़ियों में लिखा रहता है कर दो सेवा लो. आप टैक्स पे कीजिए, मैं आपको सेवा दूंगा. अब मामला है, बजट तो समझ में आ गया है. बजट इज एन एस्टिमेशन फॉर द रेवेन्यू एंड एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड इन फ्यूचर. नाउ द बजट is been classified into different types. As for example, in any manufacturing organization, we are segregating, we are classifying the organization into different departments, like sales department, like production department, like raw materials procurement department, like cash, like research and development department. So when you are segregating the organization into different departments, then there should be one departmental head of that specific department, and that specific departmental head supposed to prepare the budgets of his department. Like sales department, the sales departmental head, that is sales manager, will prepare the budget of sales department, that how much organization want to sell in future. The same like production department, the production manager will prepare this budget to estimate that how much units of the product the organization want to produce in next financial year. Okay? In this way, the cash budget, that how much cash the organization needs, require in the next financial year or in the next month or whatever. So there are two types of budget. One is short-term budget, one is long-term budget. Short-term budget is for short period. Suppose one asking you to prepare the budget for the next coming 6 months. That is short term. Long term budget maybe for 2 years, 3 years, maybe for more than 1 years. Long term budget. Is that clear? Now, the budget we classify into different departments. The first budget which the manufacturing organization prepare is called sales budget. So any organization in manufacturing organization is supposed to prepare the first sales budget, because all the budgets are based on sales budget. Without preparing sales budget, you cannot prepare production budget, you cannot prepare cash budget. So sales budget is the base to prepare. So sales budget, what you will get, why you prepare the sales budget, anyone will ask you, क्यों आप सेल्स बजट बनाते हो? क्योंकि मुझे भविष्य में अगले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में कितना जेन कार को बेचना है, इसका एस्टिमेट करते हो आप। मुझे कितना नूरानी तेल बेचना है अगले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, मुझे कितना लक्स साबुन बेचना है अगले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, ये आप एस्टिमेट करते हो इस सेल्स बजट। अब बातें हैं, अब इस सेल्स बजट को बनाने के लिए किन किन मुद्दों को जानने की जरूरत है। Which factors you want to consider at the time of estimating the sales budget? बहुत आसान है। First of all, we need to have the data of the current sales, that is budgeted sales of the current year as well as the actual sales of the current year. तो करंट ईयर का बजटेड सेल्स और एक्चुअल सेल्स से क्या पता करेंगे, उसके आधार पर हम फ्यूचर का सेल्स बजट बनाएंगे। मतलब करंट ईयर हो गया पास्ट सेल्स डेटा, इसके आधार पे हम फ्यूचर सेल्स का बजट बनाएंगे। इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स टू प्रिपेयर सेल्स बजट, there are certain factors which you need to consider. First one, that is past sales estimates, that is budgeted sales. ये मुझे जानने की जरूरत है, पास्ट सेल्स एस्टिमेट्स, पास्ट सेल्स बजट, क्योंकि यही आधार है, इसी के आधार पे आप बनाएंगे आप अगले साल का बजट। नंबर 2, और क्या जरूरत है? और जरूरत है हम इन दो डाटा से हम क्या पता करते हैं। मान लीजिए आपको बजटेड सेल्स मालूम है और एक्चुअल सेल्स मालूम है 2019 का, तो 2020 का, दैट इज 2018-19, तो 2000 और 19-20, 2019-2020, तो 2020-21 का हमको सेल्स बजट बनाना है। तो कैसे बनाएंगे? मान लीजिए ये आपका सेल्स है, मान लीजिए 100 यूनिट और एक्चुअल सेल है आपका 200 यूनिट। तो इससे आपको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन, क्या इंफरेंस आप ड्रॉ करते हो? ये आपका 2019-20 का सेल्स का बजटेड सेल्स है। आपने सोचा 100 जन कार बनाएंगे, आपने बेचना था, आपने बेच दिया 200 कार, you have sold 200 cars. So what sort of inference you are drawing from this small data? Certainly the information is the product is very good, quality very good, quality very good, product is very good, so there is a ready market. रेडी मार्केट रेडी है इसके लिए. अब क्या चाहिए और क्या इंफरेंस ड्रॉ करते हैं? क्यों? ये तो हुआ जो इन दोनों के से हम इंफरेंस ड्रॉ किए, प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है, तो इसके लिए रेडी मार्केट है, आप बेच जितना चाहे बेच सकते हैं. और क्या इंफॉर्मेशन ड्रॉ होगा? ये क्या नहीं हो सकता है? मे बी द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज अंडर प्राइस्ड, ये तो हो सकता है. प्राइस कम है इसलिए सेल्स ज्यादा हो गया, प्राइस ज्यादा होता तो सेल्स कम होता. टमाटर ज्यादा आ गया बाजार में तो उसका भाव कम हो गया तो सेल ज्यादा हो गया. टमाटर का भाव बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, if the price of tomato is per kg is very high, maybe the sales will decrease. If the price of tomato is very low per kg, the sales will increase. So the underpriced. And this is the reason, if the sales is increasing, it means this one, it shows there is increase in sales, and this will give you all this data. All these inferences you are drawing from this increase in sales. Is that clear? So what else, how you, with the help of this, it means it is a clear-cut picture that the product is underpriced, the product is very good. Then we made a survey. To what extent the customers are ready to buy this product? Customer may say, even if the price will increase, suppose this is the price, suppose 10 rupees per unit we are selling. And suppose this type of another product is supposed to 14 rupees per unit. There is a gap of 4 rupees per unit. May the customer will say, even if the price of this product will increase from 10 to 12, I will stick on this price, on this product. It means if the price will rise by 20%, the customers are ready to buy the product. And 90% of the customers will buy the product. They are ready to buy the product even if the price will rise by 20%. So, suppose this is the budget of the current year and this is the budget of the actual sale of the current year. Now, what happens if you say that 2021, if we want to prepare the budget, so what happens? If the price is increasing by 20%, the sales will increase by 100%. But I say that 60% sales will increase. I will estimate. Then, how much sales you are estimating in the financial year 2021? Price is increasing from 10 plus 20% increase, that is 2, that is 12 rupees. What is the sale? Budgeted sales is 100, actual sale is 200. So 100 plus 60% of this. So 60% of this is 60 plus Maybe there is an intensive campaign, and because of that intensive campaign, again there is a scope to enhance the sale. Why? Because each and every sales manager got one leather seat cover of Gen car to give to a special customer, not the general customer. If you sell one Sankar type customer by providing one leather cover of Gen car, and if Sankar type person, suppose 1 lakh Sankar is available in India, in 1 lakh outlet, it means 1 lakh Gen car Maruti company will sell, increase. So by providing this 20% or one leather cover, maybe 40 car is increasing. It means because this is underpriced, so I want to increase the price by 20%. So 20% of 10 is 2, and plus again, it means you are selling your product at the rate of 12, and by selling the product of 12 rupees, 100 is the budgeted sales, because you are estimating the future sale on the basis of past budget. The past budget is 100, 60% is 60% of 100 is 60, plus because of leather cover, again the sale is increasing by 40. It means 200 units. You are forecasting, you are estimating the sales by 200 units. 200 multiplied by 12, this is 2,400 rupees. You want to sell, and this is how much? This is 200 multiplied by 10, that is 2,000 rupees. Here is 100 multiplied by 10, this is 1,000 rupees. Budgeted sales was 1,000, but of the current year and future sales budget is how much? 2,400 rupees. Is that clear? So you are considering all these factors. On the basis of that, you prepare the sales budget of the future is increasing by 1,400. The current sales budget is 1,000 and the future sales budget is 2,400. In this way, we prepare the other sales budget. We will segregate the organization in different divisions, different zones, east, west, north, south. Suppose this is prepared for east zone, the same like you prepare the sales budget of west, north and south, and you add all the quantity, and in this way you will calculate, you will prepare the sales budget of the whole east, west, north, south, and you will get the whole data. Is that clear? Next class we will discuss about the production budget and thereafter cash budget. Thank you very much.